Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Aki here. Welcome to my Business 360 review. Here we're going to be taking a close look at the Business 360 software, and also, most importantly, I'm going to be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving you to get you the best results with Business 360. And this goes live on the 30th of July by 11 a.m. Eastern time. So in a nutshell, this is a collection actually of apps, of business apps, 10-in-1 collection of business apps that you can actually use, basically to get, to start your own online business. So you are getting access to, in the front end package, you're actually getting access to a collection of apps, which are actually individual apps, and you can actually use for different parts of your online business. You are getting access to cloud storage that allows you to store files, music, video, whatever type of files. This is a cloud storage that gives you access to store different files. You get access to e-com builder, where you can basically sell your own product, where you can connect your payments gateway, and this basically allows you, to do your own online business. You're getting access to website builder that allows you to build your website either for yourself or even as an agency to build, websites for other people, other businesses. You get access to web hosting. You also get access to AI text to speech software. You get access to language translator. You get access to 20 done for you digital products, which makes a lot of sense. You are getting access to premium marketing graphics. You are getting access to done for you agency kits, and you're also getting access to 20 done for you sales videos. Now you are getting access to all of these apps in, the front end of Business 360. So this is kind of like a business in a box, and you are getting opportunities, to use this not just for yourself, but also, for other businesses, because you are getting access to commercial license, even in the front end. So I'm going to review the custom bonuses I'm giving you in addition to Business 360, and then we'll discuss a little bit more about Business 360. So bonus number one is my recently launched software that was launched on the 20th of this month, and this is a cloud-based software that gives you access to create custom ebooks. You are actually going to be getting access to done for you ebooks. Now this allows you to plug in your affiliate links into these ebooks that are downloadable, where people are actually going to be downloading these ebooks onto their own mobile. They are going to be going through this and clicking on your affiliate links to make purchases. You are getting access to funnels that allow you to build your list with these ebooks. So these funnels allow you to actually distribute these ebooks. You are also getting access to free traffic training that shows you exactly how to make a ton of affiliate commissions, using this cloud-based software, apart from being able to create ebooks for other people because you are getting access to commercial license. You can decide, apart from also selling your own ebooks, you can decide to give this away, plug in your affiliate links, and then start building your list with that into the cloud-based software, or to your autoresponder if you are using Aweber or GetResponse, while you keep getting commissions. Bonus number two, you are going to be getting access to cloud-based software that allows you to create your own custom bonus pages in less than 1 minute. This is because you get access to done for you templates you can easily pick from. But not only that, you get access to done for you bonuses you can select from. Graphics is done for you. You get access to done for you bonuses. And you can just, all you need to do to create your own bonus page is just select the bonus you want to, create for, select the bonuses you want to offer for that particular product you are trying to promote, and then plug in your affiliate link, and that's all you need to do. And that's why you can actually do that in less than a minute. You get access to free traffic rotator that allows you to feed free traffic consistently to your affiliate offers. Bonus number 3, you're going to be getting access to cloud-based software that allows you, this is actually software for you to customize, and then you can actually launch, on your own, either on Warrior Plus, on JVZoo or ClickBank. If you observe closely, you would notice that the top 5% affiliates all happen to be product vendors themselves. I'm talking about software vendors specifically. So I get access to software with white label rights to not just the front end, but all the upgrades 1, 2, 3, and 4 also, which means you get to launch your own product, give it your own name, and then keep 100% of the profit. Bonus number 4, in order to get started with affiliate marketing product launch, you basically need a list of customers. I'm talking about a buyer's list in the Make Money Online affiliate marketing niche. So I'm going to be getting you started with 1,000 plus active subscribers, in the Make Money Online affiliate marketing niche, which you can start mailing instantly, without you paying somebody to run solo ads for you. The value of this particular bonus alone is up to $3,000, but you're going to be getting access to this as my bonus number 4. Bonus number 5, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to go about, creating your own business website. Either you want to create an affiliate website, an e-commerce store, a dropshipping store, a blog, whatever type of website you want to create, you're going to be able to do that with WordPress. And I'm going to show you how to go about that without you ever needing to write a single line of code. And you can take the knowledge you are going to get here, go to marketplaces like Fiverr, like Upwork, create business websites for other people, and also get paid hundreds to thousands of dollars for doing that for other people. Bonus number 6, you are getting access to cloud-based software that allows you to use other people's viral videos to drive traffic to any link. And of course, this can be your affiliate link. You get access to upload your own custom images that show up on the playback of these videos. And when people see these videos, your images pop up. When they click, it takes them to your link. You also have the opportunity to build your list by adding opt-in forms on these, on these viral videos, ultimately using other people's content, legally to drive traffic. And this does not require video creation at all. And of course, bonus number 7, you're going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses in addition to my own bonuses. Now, to claim these bonuses, simply click on any of the red buttons on this page, and then it's going to take you to the sales page of Business360, where you're going to be able to pick it up and where you're going to be getting full information about the 10-in-1 digital business app. So here it says, one-click activation gives lifetime access to 10-in-1 digital business app that makes us $347.25 daily. Lifetime access to website hosting, unlimited cloud storage, funnel builder, AI graphics and web design app, AI text-to-speech and language translator, and done for you agency kit. So feel free to come check this out in your own time to get more information about Business360. You're going to find a ton of proof of results here also. So come check this out in your own time to get more information about Business360. Now let's talk about the pricing now. The front end goes for a one-time fee of $16.27 right now. The price is expected to keep going up, as the launch proceeds. So if you come in as early as possible, you're going to be able to pick this up at the lowest price. So that's my review of Business360. Once again, this is a collection of business tools, that allow you start your own online business without you having to pay for all these apps individually. And then also you are getting access to lifetime. You are getting lifetime access, to all these business apps. So that's my review of Business360. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.